Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Marshall JVM410H or JVM410C amplifier with a pedal board, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on the amplifier. Now there's kind of two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with the presets not working on this amp or any weird sounds coming out of it and stuff like that, we can go ahead and do a hard reset. The other reason you might want to do this is if for a variety of reasons, if you're selling it or buying a used one or anything like that, and you just want to get it back to the way it was when it first came out of the box, we can go ahead and do that quite easily. First thing we want to do is just make sure at the power switch, we're going to go ahead and turn this amp off. Once it's off, we're going to find the clear channel gain switch and press and hold it. And while we're holding it, we're going to go ahead and turn the amp back on. Once it's back on, we can release that button. Now, it's not reset yet. If we hit any other buttons on here, it's going to cancel out the reset and it won't reset unless we hit the crunch mode button. Once we hit the crunch mode button, that confirms the reset and everything will be reset. The amp will turn off and we can go ahead and set it up as a new device.